Hi everyone, my name is Chef Jeremy Lovell and today I'm going to share a special recipe with you guys. So today guys, I'm going to show you all how I do my baked chicken. Right, so we're going to start with our dry seasonings first and then we're going to go with the green seasonings. So we're going to add salt to taste. So I guess the salt is really of your preference. Whether I know salt is something that everybody has their own preference with. Garlic powder, 2 tablespoons. Cayenne, 1 tablespoon. Paprika, 2 tablespoons. And last, our melted butter. The reason for the melted butter is to add that extra fat content to the chicken, and it will also add moisture to the chicken. They want that nice, not too fatty, but juicy chicken after it's done baked. 4 ounces of melted butter. This is where it gets a little messy, because we have to get our hands in and mix it. Try to get some under the skin and inside of the chicken. Also try to get some inside of the legs. Right, after we season, we are allowed to marinate for at least 4 hours before we bake. Right, so now that our chicken is marinated has been marinated for at least 4 hours, we're going to transfer it to our dish. We already have our oven preheated to 350. We're going to cover with foil, bake for 40 minutes, and then remove the foil and bake for a further 30 minutes. We have to make sure that the chicken is cooked. For those who have a food thermometer, we can check it using the food thermometer, making sure that the internal temperature of the chicken is over 165.